Hello out there, Bob and Lou at Two Old Guys Garage. It is going to be part 75, segment 1. Today is September 22nd. We've received the new HEI from Speedway. Lou has taken the Melonized gear that was on this guy, right? And put it on and put this guy back on there. So this is the one that's going in, and it's got a Melonized gear on it. And we're in the process of pulling the old stuff apart. So I'm going to pause here and we'll get back later. Back after a pause. This would be still part 75, segment 1. The new HEI distributor from Speedway is installed, timed, and everything's set up. The usual bullshit, you have to pull the plug from number 1 and, make sure you're at the spot. Make sure the oil pump drive lines up with the rotor where you want it to point to, typically number 1. So it's in, and it's running, and it's timed. It's now timed to match the blueprint recommendation of all-out advance on a small block Chevy at 34 degrees. And with this particular distributor, when we were at 34 degrees centrifugally advanced, and we come back to an idle, it drops back to about 18, 19 degrees initial, which is kind of almost typical for a hot Chevy. We've checked the vacuum works, everything works. So basically we're back into the, I hope this is the end of the distributor for a while. Everything's tight, it's all working. Starts up right away like a champ. Oh, almost forgot. We did take the purchased earlier Melonized drive gear and took it off of this distributor, which was in there when we ordered the gear, and we put it on the new HEI. So, blueprint recommendations to maintain warranty: 34 degrees max ignition at the crank, Melonized gear to run against the Dual Steel hydraulic rower. And what else was there? Oh yeah, thoroughly lubed the Melonized gear before it was installed on the distributor with my German high contact molybdenum disulfide grease. So that'll help it get broke in properly. So we're done with ignitions, right, Lou? Oh no, not we're not. Lou's gonna mess around
putting this piece of shit back, getting it all back together, putting it in the fucking box.
Yeah. You'll notice this is a Sun Machine number 400. One of the many things that Lou and I did through past years is he would buy a Sun Machine, and then we would go through it and refurb it and make sure everything worked. In this case, this one was a little bit more of a challenge because to replace the 2 separate 1.5 volt batteries and the broken vacuum pump, we put in a new vacuum pump and created a 12 volt DC regulated to drive the pump through a voltage regulator to produce the 1.5 for the gauges. And that was about 7 years ago. So that's it, Lou. Nothing else.
That's it.
We're
Just
waiting.
waiting to hear from the rigs fabricating to get the hood made.
Yeah.
And then see what happens.
Then it's prime time, right? I made a comment on part 74 responding to one of our viewers about how the body is in pretty sad shape. Just to kind of give you a view. Stuff all over like that. I mean, can be done. And cracks. Hits. And then, of course, there's the famous fiberglass body. Yep, too much body work. Okay, I'm going to end this. This will be a shorty, part 75, but I'll probably put it together and put it out here later today. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. We have 1,299 registered subscribers. I keep waiting for one more subscription so that it'll read an even 1,300. But it hasn't happened yet. Okay, that's it. Everybody, take care out there. Keep your powder dry. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Lou?
Yes, sir. See you guys later.